Hello everyone, and welcome to MEO Amazing Moments. Today, we will present to you the events that will leave you breathless. So, get ready for the real events, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.
Comes a big push. Wow.
If a landslide suddenly struck your workplace, which direction would you take to reach safety? What would you do to protect yourself and get out of danger?
Get inside.
Get inside! Holy shit!
The ears detect something out of the ordinary, and the body reacts before the mind has time to fully understand what is happening. Sometimes, instinct can be the quickest warning system of all. He was incredibly fortunate that the leopard suddenly focused on another target, giving him a few crucial seconds to remain out of danger and escape the situation safely.
Gonna be all right. Oh.
For some reason, these snakes seem to have a talent for catching unsuspecting passers-by off guard, turning ordinary moments into sudden jump scares that are both startling and strangely entertaining to watch. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because the most unbelievable moments often happen when you least expect them and when nobody is ready for what comes next. A single careless mistake by a driver in the Netherlands transformed an entire section of the road into an unexpected tomato field, leaving the mess scattered across the area for months. What began as a romantic filming session quickly spiraled into something straight out of an action movie, as the entire crew was suddenly caught in a wave of unexpected chaos within seconds.
I'm so. You good? I thought
At times, the line between staying safe and facing serious danger can be incredibly thin. Fortunately, this time, everything worked out just well enough for them to escape before it was too late. Within mere moments, the road and the pineapples in Hunan were buried beneath a massive flow of mud, dramatically demonstrating how rapidly nature can completely reshape the landscape. The machine decided to give up almost immediately after its warranty ran out, while the grass underneath probably felt like it had finally been released from captivity. In the swift, turbulent current, the driver had mere seconds to react, and that crucial split-second decision helped the vehicle escape an even more dangerous situation.
सामने वाला जो पेट्रोल पंप है वहाँ का है गाइस। ये देख सकते हैं गाइस, ऊपर से पूरा आ गया।
After witnessing what happened, one question immediately comes to mind. Was the river simply too calm, making everyone underestimate just how dangerous the location could be? Share this clip with your close friends. Taking a moment to inspect the tires before heading out could save you from dealing with an entire day of unnecessary trouble. The water rushed ahead with incredible force, carrying away everything in its path, as if the entire road were nothing more than loose pieces being swept off a game board. A woman in Louisiana narrowly escaped being struck by lightning, and before she even had time to process what happened, a four-legged inspector casually wandered over as if it had arrived to check on the situation. I can totally see why the pressure cooker at home is treated like a special occasion appliance, rather than something used every day.
What is going on?
After the sailboat collided with the Brooklyn Bridge, people joked that the bridge had simply decided not to cooperate with the boat's planned route. Before stepping away from your car, take a few extra seconds to put it in park or engage the handbrake. It's a simple precaution that can prevent a lot of unnecessary trouble. St. Martin Airport's close proximity to the beach has always divided opinion, with some seeing it as an unforgettable attraction, while others question the safety risks. What's your take? Is it part of the airport's unique appeal, or is it something that should be changed? One look at the scene makes it obvious that the car wash crew is about to face a seriously challenging job. Footage from Nebraska had viewers replaying it again and again, as the hail sliding across the ground created the eerie illusion of a massive creature quietly crawling through the scene. In that tense situation, everyone remained remarkably still and composed, proving that sometimes staying calm and thinking clearly is far more valuable than having 1,000 screens around you. One unexpected incident was enough to send the damages soaring into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Thankfully, everyone made it out safely, and the situation didn't result in even greater losses.
Don Miyagi, corran con Don Miyagi. Whoa, whoa, whoa.